Ona gicajama gia cukari uria urahuthika bururi-ini gitari kiraithirana gia kana cukari uria Wanjiku arahuthira wina thumu kana aca. Riboti ya wongerereku wa indo cia maigirira uria ukinyeire bururi umuthi ni utigite akenya makirigwo marore nako kana hihi nikimagiriirwo kuhuthira kuonona dawa iria mamukagira mathibitari-ini na duka-ini cia rienderio ria dawa kuratuika itiagiriire. Kurumirira riboti irekereirio ni honge cia kuhurana indo cia maigirira bururi-ini igitongorio ni munini wa ruhonge ruti wira wa muingi Wanyama Musiambo. Nuthu ya thigara iria irahuthika guku bururi-ini itikinyaniirie ikiro.
We have cigarettes that are counterfeited, and we have actually seized quite a number of them. You get the label very clearly, the cigarette people smoke that are known. But when you go down, you find that it is actually not the quality. It has been counterfeited. The question of the intellectual property rights have been abused.
Oguthukia muno indo cia urigitani na iria akenya makoretwo na mwihoko munene nacio kuria ni hamwe na dawa cia mirimu itiganite, dawa cia ARVs, mifira ya condom na indo iria ihuthikaga ithimi-ini cia murimu wa mukingo onacio itiagiriire. Kaunti ithano igituo imamo cia indo ici guku bururi-ini.
Currently, there exists a robust system of reporting suspected poor quality medicines to our regulatory authorities. I therefore want to also encourage you, the public, the patients, to use the system to report.
We are now looking at areas around Nakuru, going down, Nakuru, Washungishu, Kisumu, so we'll be there for quite some time.
Minister wa ugima wa mwiri irahuthika na unyitaniri na honge cia kuhurana na indo itikinyaniirie ikiro hamwe na bodi ya kuramata ukinyaniri wa dawa igitangatha virigiceni ya thiku 100 guthurima wigirireku wa indo ici na iria cia gutwaririria akenya ugwati-ini munene.
We will be targeting health products and technologies of high public health impact and those that are widely used by the public, just with the background that I've given you. Necessary regulatory actions shall be taken against any products and their owners that will not meet the requirements that are laid down and that we all know about as a sector.
The ministry and the government of Kenya are very determined to ensure that the products, medical products, health products that we have out there, and perhaps even including food products that we have out there in the market, are safe for use by Kenyans.
Avrigiceni no igithiaga na mbere a Kenya no momire na mahoya Ngai amamenyerere amu matioi kana dawa iria marahuthira thaici ni imwe cia ici itakinyaniirie ikiro ona kana ithimi iria matafaneirio ciina uma kana aca. Giki kirikiriga kingi thutha wa gicajama gia cukari. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.